My name is Marino Bozic. I work for Stanford Blood Center in Palo Alto, California, and my title is Director of Research and Clinical Services. Stanford Blood Center is a community nonprofit independent blood center, again, in Palo Alto, California. Been in existence for over 40 years now, supplying the Stanford community with blood products, Stanford Hospital, and ultimately the Bay Area and beyond, out all over the United States, actually. We have a vibrant and growing research program. We call it SBC Biologics, where we provide different biologics from anywhere from a tube to platelets to buffy coats, LRS chambers. I would say primary cells as well is a big one for us, and cell and gene therapy collections by way of leukobacs. That's an area that we've seen some growth in, especially where blood centers can come in and play in that field. And we're here to support with both non-mobilized and mobilized collections. This conference has been nothing but a success for me. This is my third year here, and I keep making valuable connections, meeting new people, and I take those with me when I go back. And we can help each other and work together. And I plan to be at the next one as well.